world that often feels like an endless maze of hurdles and hardships, have you ever stopped to ponder what it is that truly holds us back? Is it the tangible challenges we face? Or could it be something more profound, something that resides within us? Enter the realm of John's life. A young man caught in the whirlwind of a monotonous professional routine. His heart yearns for a future brighter than the present, yet motivation eludes him. He's ensnared in the familiar confines of his comfort zone, a prisoner of his own inertia. One day, the winds of fate blow a curious object his way, a book promising nothing less than transformation. Skepticism raises its head, but curiosity prevails and John gives it a shot. As the pages turn, so does the wheel of his perception. John stumbles upon a revelation, the might of self-belief and the power of goal-setting. He comprehends that the reins to the life he dreams of lie in his own hands. Armed with this newfound realization, John springs into action. He sketches out clear goals, crafts a plan, and sets out on the journey towards his dreams. The road is far from smooth. Obstacles loom large. Setbacks try to pull him back. But John, he's a changed man. He meets each challenge head-on, growing stronger, more resolute with every hurdle he conquers. The real transformation for John isn't in the goals he achieves. It's in the person he evolves into during the journey. The joy, the fulfillment, they stem not from the external milestones, but from the internal growth, the fortified belief that he has the mettle to overcome any challenge life throws at him. John's transformation doesn't stop at him. He starts sharing his tale, lighting up the path for others. He becomes a beacon of motivation, a source of inspiration, igniting the dormant power within those around him. Remember, each one of us holds within us the power to achieve greatness, to overcome any challenge. It all starts with a belief in oneself and the courage to stride towards our dreams. Don't let fear or doubt shackle you. Unleash your inner power, embrace the journey, and witness as your life transforms into the masterpiece it's meant to be. As we wrap up this journey through John's transformation, remember to subscribe for more inspiring content. Together, we can unleash the power within and craft a life of limitless possibilities.